Good, that's it, good. Come out of it.
Let's go. Take the game over. Come on. Let's go back in. Let's go do our job, right?
We need the dogs out here. Or go back with your legs tucked, man.
Move, come on, come on. Move. They want to beat us. Show them again one. Look in your eyes, I know you're ready. Look in your eyes, I know you're ready.
Let's go. Yeah.
Let's go, Joey. Come on, give us a good kick. Let's go, baby. Know where you are in your alignment, all right? They just warned John about being too deep in his alignment.
Play fake, roll to the right. Evans has no time, throws it under duress, and it is caught anywhere by Phillips at the 15, and he will walk into the end zone. Continue to play first half. Hokies have 2nd and 7, and they'll give it back to Rogers. Rogers secondary move into the open field. Far sideline, 25-20, 15-10 in the 5. Yes, sir! Yes, sir!
After here, rolling on the wheels,
Sweep motion from Hodges. Evans will keep this one, and he'll take it into the end zone. 2-4.
If they see what we're doing, ends, they could flip it. So if you are to the back, you just say he free releases, you can take it. That's what he's doing right now, okay?
Johns, 3-step drop, stepping up, throwing out to the right, and it is intercepted. Intercepted by Alexander, who turns and pitches it, and now rushing with it is Chuck Clark, far sideline to the 40.
Sets a tone.
That's right. No rest. I like how we're playing, how we're competing, how hard we're playing for each other, all right? And how we are executing. And we need to finish that way. We keep getting better.
We've done a good job so far, but so far ain't good enough. Okay, go finish this thing off with the same intensity, the same discipline you started with.
Be alert. They may kick it over here. Again, be alert for all surprises.
Brewer will take over and run the option, or trying to. He fumbled the football. It is picked up by Matuapaka. Nothing but clean. Martin there in front of him. 30, 20, 10. Defensive touchdown.
That's what I'm talking about, boy.
He said fair catch everything.
Oh, yeah.
No,
We could have got about 20 on that one.
I shouldn't have floated it to him.
And then stood there like you did it. Good job, Phil.
Motley play fake, flips it across the middle, caught in stride by a wide open Trayvon McMillan, and he will waltz into the end zone.
Hey, y'all's celebration was so
Wow.
Hey, you know. Hey, Kodak. Kodak. Kodak.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
ACC, baby.
Whoa, whoa.
Rudy and all those guys.
On behalf of the Commissioner, it's my pleasure to present to you and the Virginia Tech Hokies the 2016 ACC Coastal Division Championship.
It's a true honor to coach and work at Virginia Tech with the best fans in all of America.
Easy. That's big time.
You out-prepared and outplayed them. Congratulations. And now let me tell you something. When you guys leave today, I want you to look at those banners in this stadium. And you tell me all the Coastal Division Championship banners that are hanging up out there. 0. Okay? There's 0. Okay? There's ACC Championship banners hanging up there. Okay? And that's what we're out to do.